A red bold lip color looks so great on supermodels and in Instagram pics, but does it look that nice in real life? No, not really. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a muted red lip for daily wear and also for going out and for a date night. So let's begin. So I have started with applying my concealer. This is by Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So I'm just going to apply it, dab it, blend it, and do everything I can to make my skin look healthy and glowy. The thing I really like about this concealer is that it's a liquid concealer and it doesn't settle into your pores. It is easily blendable and it doesn't give you that heavy makeup look. So moving on to the foundation, I'm using my liquid foundation by Innisfree. So I like to use my fingers to blend in the foundation as well as my brush to give me a clean look. So you can use either of them. I'm using a brush because my wisdom tooth is really hurting and my cheek is swollen, so I didn't want to upset it. So I'm using my brush very gently on my face. So what we do with the foundation is we cover up all the shadows that are falling naturally on the face. So now I'm just using my fingers to pat it onto my skin and make the foundation look even smoother. I would recommend to use your fingers even when you're using a brush, just to completely smoothen out the look, because even when you use a brush you can see the marks of the bristles on your face. So by blending it with your fingers, it really gives a smooth finish. So moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using this color called Sing on my eyes. It's a mix of gold with a hint of brown color in it. And I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid and drag it outwards toward my outer corner. And I'm going to blend that really well. So doing the same on my other eye, I'm really blending the eyeshadow well. I think brown and neutral shades, all sorts of warm shades, suit most of the Indian skin tones. Now I'm just going into my crease and making it appear a bit darker. So you don't necessarily need a new eyeshadow for this or a darker color. You can just go in with the same color but just make it look more darker and more intense in the crease area. to add some more dimension to the face. Moving on to the blush, I'm taking a peach shade. I'm just taking the brush and dabbing it onto my skin. So I'm moving with a very gentle hand and dragging the brush towards my temple to create a nice flushed cheek. And I'm going to blend that really well. Now moving on to the lips, I have taken two different lip colors for this look. So one is a classic red lip color and the other one is a cool red, and I'm going to mix both these shades to create more of a muted red lip. But I don't want it to be very intense, so I'm just going to mix these two colors to create a color in between these two. I'm just using a brush to line my lips first, and once I finish lining my lips, I'm going to fill in my lip with the same lip color. So I'm going to blend that really well into my lips, and I'm using both the colors. And I'm blending them both together. So I have chosen to do my lips first before my eyes. Once my lips are done, I will get an idea on how to go about my eyes, if I want a very dark and intense look or if I can go with a very light eyeliner and a very less eye makeup. So this color looks red, but it is not so intense. It looks pretty and it looks quite natural, and it will definitely look good in daylight. So moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using an eye pencil by Innisfree, and I really love this product. It is so amazing. It just blends so easily, and it is so easy to create perfect eyebrows with that. Well, not perfect, but close to perfect. So once I'm done filling the eyebrows, I use the brush and blend everything together. So I take my time with the blending part because I do not want any harsh lines to stay on my face. So I blend that really well. So moving on to the eyeliner, I'm starting with drawing a wing. So what I do is I draw a line straight from the outer corner of my eye, reaching towards the temple and the end of my eyebrow. So you have to figure the angle of the eyeliner by practicing multiple times, and once you figure that out, you can easily stick to that. You can try out different looks to find out what works best for you. Now I'm just dragging the line towards the inner corner of my eye, and as I do not like to apply mascara, I like to line my eyelashes, both the upper eyelashes and the lower lash line, so that it looks heavier and healthier and gives the same effect as that of applying mascara. So guys, I would also suggest you the same. If you are going to do a red lip, do your red lip first and then go to your eyes, because that will give you an idea how intense your eyes can be, and if you want to change the look, you can. So try this and let me know how it works for you. So I'm lining the other eye. So now I'm drawing a very thin line under my lower lash line, and I'm going to smudge that really well. This is going to create a look as if I'm wearing some mascara on my lower lashes. And that's it, you guys. This is how the final look turned out. Please give this a try and let me know in the comments below how it looks on you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.